Rite Way University came from the owner of Rite Way, Rick Walter, put together a program to give back to people within the community that had zero experience in the HVAC industry and essentially train them from the ground up with the concept of them not having to pay for schooling. So they get hired on as an actual employee, and we essentially pay them to learn and grow and create a career for their future.
Rite Way University class here that we do is it's a specialized training program for new students that come in that we pick on the basis of people that have a good personality, people that have a desire that want to work, that have a thirst and a hunger to learn. Because in this trade, constantly every day, you're learning something new. If you're not learning, you're not succeeding, you're not moving forward. So at Rite Way, we try to implement a specialized training course where we not only do book training through the classroom, but we also do hands-on training as well. As part of that, an addendum, we also have the new students go out with seasoned techs 2 days out of the week. That way they can firsthand see what the actual reality is of being out in the field and working on the equipment as well as working with the customers. One of the big differences that Rite Way University is in compared to other tech schools or other companies that may have something similar to our program is we try to incorporate more of the hands-on out in the field as compared to just being in the classroom 5 days a week, 8 hours a day. I think we produce a better technician, a more confident and braver technician, and basically the technician is what represents Rite Way.
So it's really important for me to learn hands-on, and not just for me, but for my classmates as well. The only reason being is because in order for it to stick with us, we have to see what we're learning, get our hands on. The only reason for that being is because we can learn it by hearing it and seeing it, but actually doing it is another thing.
As soon as a university student graduates, one of the bonuses with the program is Rite Way sets them up with about $2,000 worth of tools, so they don't have to worry about going out and purchasing some of the most expensive tools on their own. They come out of the program as an entry-level maintenance technician. From there, depending on how quickly they learn and gain more experience, they move up to more mid-tier maintenance technicians, and then eventually can move into being an actual service tech. So I would highly encourage it. Anybody that's looking for a great career with a great company that's been in business since 1959, views their employees as part of their family, yeah, I'd highly encourage you to look into Rite Way University.